It sometimes so happen that you are in an atmosphere where there is lot of chaos, but you feel you want to study. Others are not letting you do so. You are not able to concentrate in that noisy atmosphere. What could be a right way out? A right way out could be focus on a task that really challenges you. If you focus on something which involves rote learning, which involves memorization, probably you won't be able to have your 100% in. But if something involves the fact that you can challenge yourself, that I have to solve that question, then despite of all the surrounding noise, you would be deeply engrossed and involved into it, and that would be the point. You are automatically able to concentrate despite of the surrounding noise and the chaos. So it's very important when you sit to study in atmosphere when it is noisy, you feel your colleagues are not letting you do that, it's a good idea to challenge yourself. Once you challenge yourself, you can automatically have a constructive time ahead. So this was one of the tips. We would be covering many such interesting sessions ahead. Stay tuned.